This is problem number 11 from the chapter of integration by the method of substitution. Problem number 11 is integration of 2x plus 3 divided by 3x minus 4 dx. 2x plus 3, integration of 2x plus 3 divided by 3x minus 4 dx. Okay. So this looks very simple. This is algebraic expression. Okay. And solution procedure is also easy. Somewhat it is lengthy, but it is easy. Lengthy means it is lengthier than the previous problems, previous 10 problems. Okay. Not so much lengthy. Here you make the substitute. The denominator is 3x minus 4. So let 3x minus 4, this is equal to z. Okay. Then on differentiating both sides of this equation, you will get 3 dx. 3 dx is equal to dz. From where we are getting dx is equal to dz by 3. Okay. Dx is equal to dz by 3. This thing we have got. And one more thing, from here we are getting x is equal to what? X is equal to, it is z plus 4 by 3. Okay, from this expression we are getting x is equal to z plus 4 by 3. Now use this one. Integration I is equal to, in the denominator what is there? It is 3x minus 4, that is z. So z is there, write this one. Then 2x plus 3 is there. So 2 and x is what? X is this much, z plus 4 by 3. This is x plus this 3 is there. Then this dx is there. So dx is what? From here dx is equal to dz by 3. Right. Now make this algebraic calculation. These 3 and these 3 will come here. So this will make 9z. Then here will be 2z plus 8. This 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 3, 9. Okay, dz. Then this becomes what? 2z by 9z. So 2 by 9. Only 2 by 9. Okay. Integration of 2 by 9, 1. So dz. Plus 8 plus 9 is 17. So 17 by 9. 17 by 9 and z is there. Okay. So here integration of dz by z. Right. Now integration of this one is what? It is 2 by 9 z. Integration of dz is z. And here you will get 17 by 9 dz by z. Integration of dz by z is log of mod z plus a constant of integration c. Okay. Then z is how much? Z is 3x minus 4. So 2 by 9 into 3x minus 4 plus 17 by 9 log of 3x minus 4 plus c. This is equal to what? Here 2 by 9 3x, again 2 by 9 into minus 4. So this becomes minus 8 by 9. Minus 8 by 9 is a constant. So this minus 8 by 9 plus c makes another constant. Say that constant is denoted by c1. So result will be 2 by 9 into 3x, that is 2 by 3x. So 2 by 3x plus 17 by 9, 17 by 9 log 3x minus 4 plus a constant of integration c1. So this is the answer to the given problem. Okay, this is the answer. Is it visible or not? Let me check. Yes, that is visible. So 2 by 3 into x into 17 by 9 log 3x minus 4 plus c1. So this is the answer to the given problem. This is somewhat lengthier than the previous problems. Not so much lengthy actually. So this was problem number 11. Expression was this 2x plus 3 by 3x minus 4. Substitute was this one, 3x minus 4 is equal to z. And here we have done that 2 by 9 into minus 4, this is a constant quantity. So constant plus c makes another constant, and that constant has been denoted by c1. So this is the end of the problem. Okay. Next we will move to problem number 12 in the next video lecture. Okay. Thank you.